Looking to make a splash at the pool or beach this summer? Honey, the key to feeling confident and fabulous in your swimwear is finding the right style for your unique body type. Just like a great outfit, the perfect swimsuit should accentuate your best features and make you feel like the dazzling queen you are. Now, we all come in different shapes and sizes, and that's something to celebrate. Whether you're rocking an hourglass figure, a pear shape, or an athletic build, there's a swimsuit out there that will make you feel absolutely amazing. Remember, it's not about fitting into a certain mold, but about finding what makes you feel your most confident and beautiful. So get ready to ditch those swimsuit woes and embrace your gorgeous self. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic swimwear options for different body types, helping you find the perfect style to rock this summer. All right, my hourglass goddesses, let's talk about flaunting those fabulous curves. The right swimsuit will hug you in all the right places. Think of it like framing a masterpiece. Enhance and celebrate every line. A classic one-piece cinches you at the waist, highlighting that gorgeous silhouette. Spice things up with cutouts, mesh panels, or plunging necklines. High-waisted bottoms accentuate your waist and provide coverage. Pair with a supportive top and you're ready to soak up the sun. Ruching and belts work wonders for an hourglass shape. Prints and patterns can be your secret weapon. Embrace those curves and own the beach or poolside. My gorgeous pear-shaped divas, you have a figure that exudes femininity and grace. We're going to find you swimsuits that celebrate your curves while creating a beautifully balanced silhouette. The key here is to draw the eye upwards and create the illusion of a more balanced figure. One trick is to focus on the top half of your body. Look for swimsuits with eye-catching details, vibrant colors, or bold prints on the top. This will draw the eye upward and create a sense of balance. Think ruffles, embellishments, or even a playful print mixing. Speaking of prints, don't be afraid to experiment with different styles. Vertical stripes can actually be your friend, elongating your torso, while darker colors on the bottom can create a slimming effect. Another fantastic option for pear shapes is a peplum top. Peplum tops are incredibly flattering because they cinch you in at the waist and then flare out over your hips, creating a balanced and proportionate look. When it comes to bottoms, opt for styles that provide a bit more coverage. High-waisted bottoms, or those with a slightly higher cut on the leg, can help to elongate your legs and balance out your hips. Don't be afraid to play with different necklines too. A V neckline or a sweetheart neckline can help to elongate your torso and draw the eye upward, creating a more balanced look. Ultimately, the most important thing is to find a swimsuit that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Remember, you are beautiful just the way you are, and the right swimsuit will help you to shine. My apple-shaped beauties, you radiate warmth and charisma. The goal is to find a swimsuit that creates definition and highlights your amazing assets. You deserve to feel confident and radiant, and the right swimsuit can make all the difference. One of the most flattering styles for apple shapes is a swimsuit with tummy control features. These swimsuits are designed to smooth and shape your midsection, creating a more streamlined silhouette. Don't think of these as your grandma's girdles. These are sleek, stylish, and will have you feeling snatched. Another great option is a wrap swimsuit. Wrap styles work wonders for apple shapes because they cinch in at the narrowest part of your waist, creating the illusion of a more defined hourglass figure. And bonus, they're super adjustable so you can get the perfect fit. Now let's talk necklines. V-necklines are your new best friend. They elongate your torso and draw the eye upward, creating a more balanced look. Sweetheart necklines can also be incredibly flattering, accentuating your bust and creating a feminine touch. When it comes to bottoms, look for styles that provide good coverage and support. High-waisted bottoms, or those with a slightly higher cut on the leg, can help to elongate your legs and balance out your proportions. And don't shy away from patterns and colours. Bold prints and bright colours can actually be very flattering on apple shapes, especially when used strategically. Just remember to keep the scale of the print in mind. Smaller prints tend to be more flattering than larger ones. Remember, confidence is the best accessory. My athletic queens, you exude strength and confidence. We want to find swimsuits that celebrate your toned physique and make you feel ready to conquer the waves, or lounge poolside, your choice. Embrace bold prints, vibrant colours, and unique designs that add a touch of femininity and flair. Think tropical prints, geometric patterns, or even a touch of animal print. Don't be afraid to stand out. One pieces with strategically placed cutouts can be incredibly flattering, highlighting your toned midriff or showcasing a peak of skin. And don't shy away from sporty styles with racerback designs or interesting straps. They'll accentuate your strong shoulders and back. If you're a bikini enthusiast, consider styles with a bit more coverage on the bottom, like boy shorts or high-waisted bottoms. Pair them with a bold and supportive top, like a halter top or a sports bra-inspired style, to balance out your proportions. Ruffles, frills, and other feminine details can add some softness and create the illusion of curves, while still allowing you to maintain your athletic aesthetic. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a swimsuit that makes you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. Embrace your athletic build, rock that swimsuit with pride, and get ready to make a splash. My petite princesses, you are small but mighty. We're going to find you swimsuits that elongate your frame and make you feel like you can conquer the world, or at least the beach. High-cut leg openings are your absolute best friend. They create the illusion of longer legs, making you look taller and leaner. Don't be afraid to show a little leg. Vertical stripes are another secret weapon for us petite ladies. They create a long, lean line, instantly elongating your figure. Don't shy away from bold stripes or pair them with other patterns for a fun and flirty look. When it comes to bikini tops, look for styles that draw the eye upward. Halter tops and tie front tops are fantastic options because they accentuate your shoulders and create the illusion of a fuller bust. Embellishments like ruffles, bows, or even a touch of sparkle can add volume and dimension to your frame, making you appear taller. Don't be afraid to have a little fun with your swimwear. Remember, confidence is the key to rocking any outfit, especially a swimsuit. Embrace your petite frame, find styles that make you feel amazing, and get ready to shine. And there you have it, my loves, a guide to finding the most flattering swimsuits for every body type. Remember, the most important thing is to find a swimsuit that makes you feel amazing. It's not about following trends or fitting into a certain mold. It's about embracing your unique shape and rocking your swimwear with confidence. When you feel good in your own skin, it shows. So try different styles, experiment with colors and patterns, and find what makes you feel your most confident and beautiful. Now go out there, soak up the sun, and enjoy those summer days, feeling like the radiant, gorgeous beings you are. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and inspiration.